Ever felt that familiar dread when your Dyson V10 just won't go? You press the trigger and it either cuts out, sputters, or doesn't start at all. This isn't just a minor annoyance, it's a prevalent issue plaguing many Dyson V10 users, often caused by the internal mechanism of the trigger module wearing out over time or developing electrical contact problems. What starts as an intermittent hiccup can quickly become a complete shutdown, turning your powerful cleaning companion into an expensive paperweight. Ignoring this Dyson V10 trigger problem can make your cleaning sessions a battle, reduce your vacuum's efficiency, and honestly, just ruin your day. Nobody wants to wrestle with their vacuum. But don't despair! Robocare has the perfect solution. We understand that a Dyson V10 trigger problem isn't always straightforward. That's why we utilize advanced diagnostic techniques to precisely identify the root cause, whether it's a worn-out microswitch, a wiring issue, or something more complex within the trigger assembly. We don't just guess, we pinpoint the fault. Our process involves meticulously disassembling the unit, carefully replacing the faulty trigger module with genuine components, and then rigorously testing to ensure seamless operation. Your Dyson V10 will feel brand new again. Now, let us show you the results. After Robocare's expert repair, this Dyson V10 trigger problem is a thing of the past. Experience that legendary Dyson power once more, effortlessly tackling every mess with a perfectly responsive trigger. Ready to revitalize your Dyson V10? Robocare is your trusted expert. Visit our website or call us today.